In a bustling tech office, Alex and Jamie were coding away. "Why don't you ever go hiking with us?" Jamie asked. Alex shrugged. "Nature's got too many bugs." Jamie laughed. "But isn't that what you deal with every day?" Alex grinned. "Yeah, but at least my bugs don't bite." They both chuckled, imagining mosquitoes with error messages. Just then, their boss walked in. "I hear there's a new bug in the system." Alex sighed. "See? Even indoors I can't escape them." Jamie patted Alex's back. "At least these bugs don't need bug spray."